What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use SearchGPT, an AI-powered search engine within ChatGPT. Whether you're researching, seeking quick answers, or exploring new topics, this AI-driven search engine can save you time and deliver more precise information. To begin, let's go over how to access SearchGPT. There are two main ways to do this, and it's important to note that SearchGPT may not be available to everyone just yet, as access might be limited to certain users. The first method is through the ChatGPT home menu. If you already have access to SearchGPT, you will see a link in the upper left corner of your ChatGPT interface labeled SearchGPT. Simply click on that and you will be directed to the SearchGPT interface. The second method is by using your web browser. Open any browser and navigate to chatgpt.com/search. Once you're on the page, you will see a screen specifically for SearchGPT if the feature is available to your account. If you're not seeing it, it could be due to the feature still being in rollout stages or restricted to certain users. Now, once you're in the SearchGPT interface, you can start searching right away. Think of it as you would any search engine, but the difference here is that SearchGPT is powered by OpenAI's language models, meaning it understands your queries in a more detailed and nuanced way. What makes SearchGPT unique is how it provides answers. Instead of just delivering a list of links like typical search engines, SearchGPT gives you a direct answer on a screen, generated by the AI based on the information it pulls across from the web. This can make your searches much faster, and you'll often get the information you need right away, without having to sift through multiple websites. SearchGPT is designed to enhance the search experience by making it faster, more precise, and more interactive. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.